pleasant morning to everyone. I'm Mike Villanueva. I think my friend Goldie from high school has already spoken. But allow me to say this. For us, for me and Norman, it was quite different from the experience of Martin. Unfortunately, I did not have the pleasure of being a classmate of Norman. We were just batchmates, but we will have these opportunities to sit on the bench whenever we'll be waiting for whatever, for the next class, for whatever, for the next project. And I have to agree with Martin. Many of Norman's ideas were really way ahead of its time. Nauuna, oh. But I remember, of course, although we were never classmates, those short moments that we had in school. Actually, I found out that we had very similar passions. From the most mundane and trivial, like we were both very, very passionate fans of Voltes 5. And it was actually, it was actually a pleasure actually to read this article a few years ago from I think it was from a year ago when he did write the insights that he put in there. He also had a passion for history and anything and everything Filipino. Ano po, in fact, ano nga po yan? Sinusundan ko po. Pwede niyo sabihin, stalker niya ako sa social media. Inaabangan ko yung mga either isusulat niya or talaga yung mga name. And in a way, I regret not being able to be very close or hang around with him more often. But yet, siguro kagaya ng karamihan sa inyo, iba siguro kilala mo siya dahil asawa ko. I met the group of ladies na asawa nung rather na mga more of kaibigan ni Carla. And many of you maybe siguro meron lang kayong passing acquaintance na hindi naman or you knew him but did not know him. But from what I know about Norman, he was always fun to be around with. Always, as I would agree with Martin, always had the most ideas. Although I will probably not agree na siya lang ang pinaka verbose sa grupo nyo. I think you will also hold the candle to that, Martin. Never kung nga pong very little time actually in relative terms. But whenever we each other in batch reunions and anything po na ay make it a point to actually spend time with him and magkwentuhan lang, mag-updatean. And I regret na those moments were not very often. Like nga ako sa kabisihan. And like what Martin had also said, these times actually po makes you think about having to spend, are we spending enough time with with things that we should be doing, like getting to know people, expressing our love and concern for for people we know, and building relationships. If anything po, Norman was like that. He was yun nga po, yung regret ko sana ko mas naging close pa kami kahit hindi kami maging classmate. Because he actually learned a lot from a person and he was like that. He had something to say about anything. But lastly po, I am so thankful din and happy for Norman that in his last days, he was able to have a moment to think about life and have a personal encounter with Jesus. Kasi po, everything in this world actually will be for naught if we do not find eternity. And I'm in my prayer, and then upon confirmation of how do you say it? Boji ba? Boji. Okay. Younger brother. That he did have a moment of actually accepting and having a moment with his Creator. Just calling out his Creator. And I know he will be, he is already safe in his Father's arms, his Almighty Father's arms. And I look forward to seeing you there in the banquet of the Lord. Pero wag lang muna, not just yet. You have served your calling. We all are trying to still look for or serve our calling. That's why we're still here. So, as I left in your text message to you, your wall, vaya con Diyos, compadre, go with God.